and religious harmony for more than 80 years of his life. A Nobel laureate whose commitments towards global peace, religious harmony, and world environment has always been his priorities. He is known for his humorous, childlike, and playful nature. The media, with clickbait headlines showing a clipped video of an event held between His Holiness and young Indian graduates on 28 February this year, hurting the sentiments of Tibetans and millions of followers of His Holiness, which has been further shared and reacted to by the non-social influencers without verifying the news and the headlines. The media misinterpreted our culture of sticking out of tongue and misinterpreted the compassionate act of His Holiness towards a boy who asked for a hug during the event. We request and condemn all the major media outlets, social influencers, and individuals to stop speculating without actual facts, without trying to understand the source of the clipped video, without verifying the news, and without understanding our cultural perspectives. We also request each media outlets, social influencers, and individuals to apologize for misinterpreting His Holiness's compassionate act and hurting sentiments of millions of his followers. Truth shall be statement by few Solomons. I would like to request to everyone to say, as I say we condemn, I want you to say the false allegations. We condemn the false allegations. We stand with His Holiness. Long live the Dalai Lama. We condemn! We condemn! We condemn! We condemn! We condemn! We condemn! We